Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can turn off read receipt on Instagram. Alright guys, let's get into it. First thing first, we can go to our Instagram setting. We can click on this profile icon, and then you have to click on this three lines to open the Instagram setting. And this is the settings, and we're going to scroll down until we find the messages and story replies. This one, click on this option, and here you have to click on show read receipt. And if you want to turn off your read receipts on Instagram, you just need to click on this toggle button to disable the read receipt. And now the read receipt has been turned off. And that's so easy, right? Alright guys, and that's how you can turn off the read receipt on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.